guys. So, this is Insurgency. Yay, I'm the stupid team. Okay, this is Insurgency. Yep, this is all it is. You just customize guns. That's all it is. Alright, good video. Nah, I'm kidding. Anyway, yeah. So, I said I would do Insurgency when I got back, and I am going to do it now. And I love how this is the game mode that it puts me in, even though I deselected this from...
Okay, we need to capture and secure the objectives in this area. We'll be reinforced once we take an objective.
But basically what this is like is, each game, if you die, you don't respawn unless your team captures an objective in this game mode. In any game mode, you don't respawn unless your team does something with the objectives. There's this, VIP, and Search and Destroy. This is called Firefight. It's just basically Conquest, or Conquest from Battlefield, basically, yeah. And, yeah. If you die, you don't respawn. There's like leaning. Of course that guy was jumping. Suppressing fire. Actually, I'm going to turn down my audio a bit. It's a bit loud. Okay. Main game. A bunch of pod kitties.
Heads up! New mag in!
So, basically, kind of got cut off.
Bravo is clear, we got it. We got Charlie, good work.
Because we just captured this, our team, or
they just took Alpha.
Then their team responds. So basically, it goes until everyone on the enemy team has been killed, or everyone on our team has been killed, or all teams are captured.
Loading!
Okay, Dad. Okay, just talking to my dad. So yeah, it's really fun about this game. What are you shooting at? He's dead. Oh, there's no, can't see your KD unless you're dead or in the spawn. Although people can just use their score. There's no message to say whether or not you got the kill. So like the only way you'll ever really know is if you like,
Alpha has been secured.
Yeah, that's how you win rounds. Capture bases and win rounds.
Thing, the blood spot, and
autographs
DE Miami.
Tomorrow if you want.
Really? Really, DE Miami?
Filter.
What? What do you want?
I'm on your team now.
Keep your eyes peeled, guys.
Yep, you're on my team now. Oh, whoops. So yeah, this isn't a very good game. I don't really like this like team. I hate being counter-terrorist is what I'm gonna call them, because I don't remember the actual term. And yeah, being terrorists, or the insurgents, that's what they're called, I know that, is a lot more fun for me, because I hate the M16 burst fire, hate it so much. I also don't really like this. Oof. That was bad. RPG to the face. Did I get him? No. That was interesting. So now I just spectate until this guy caps C. Which he probably will. But I don't really like this game mode. I really prefer the other, like Firefight and VIP.
Ah shit, they just took Alpha.
I also prefer the other
Just
team.
secured Charlie.
I don't really like the counter security. I don't really like the security. I just don't really like their guns. They're really, I don't know. I don't like them. I don't like the burst, and I can't figure out what class has like the full auto, the M4. I think it's engineer, but I almost shot that guy. So there's like a walk feature so that you can be quiet. Oh, is he alive?
We just lost Charlie.
Alright, so there are gonna be people coming this way. For sure. If they just cap Charlie. Or maybe not, I don't know. This is usually like I have no idea where I just got shot from. And we just got Alpha. Alright. This is a really slow game. I'm probably gonna it's empty teams basically. I need a good server. This one's not that good, it's too empty. I'm gonna find a different server route, like server. No internet gains responded. Yeah, right.
Hostiles just took Alpha.
I don't believe you. That's stupid.
Nice, we just took Bravo.
Huh. Well. Good job, Gilly. You capped B.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I'm arguably the greatest player of all time.
I hate the security so much.
I love this
And
game.
and this game mode. I don't like this game mode either.
Got two over here.
Alright, we're getting Alpha.
Yeah, we're getting Alpha. The friendly dance.
Good, we just
I'm
took Alpha.
friendly.
Nice.
Alright. This is a really slow game. Just this match, it's slower than normal. And it's not really a map I like. That guy's stupid. He just jumped. He jumped off of the cliffy thing. Whatever, I don't know what it's called. Yeah, I'm gonna put in one more game. This is okay, I'm gonna stop recording. I'm gonna find a better
This is
match.
how you play
and then
Insurgency,
I think
brother.
it's engineer, but I'm not
Hey,
sure.
you watch my back, right?
I'm just going silencer. I feel it.
Lawrence,
I
you're
love
still
this
here,
map.
right?
Why did I not get all my attachments? There we go.
It's like Counter-Strike. Everyone has the same amount of guns. Like, you don't unlock. Everything erases at the end of the game.
If I reload like a full mag and get shot once, does that like fuck it?
Reload a full mag and get shot.
Does it like if I shoot one bullet and then reload, does that mag disappear?
No.
No.
Oh my god, why don't I have crosshairs?
Wow, someone came up right behind us.
This game's unrealistic, why don't I have crosshairs?
Because this game is like the most unrealistic arcadey game I've ever played, Norbs.
It's kind of suckish. I wouldn't buy it if I were you.
Didn't-
Tilter. Nice.
Jesse, not Jesse,
Volume
Gilly,
is-
this map is literally like the easiest map to
Kill people.
To
I like
win.
this map.
I hate this map.
I love this map in the day. I hate it at night. What is it called? Ministry? Taking a wild guess here. Contact, guys.
What the fuck, dude? I don't even know where the fuck anyone is.
You just raped Joey.
I don't like this fucking game, man.
Because you're not beast at it like you usually are.
I don't see anything.
Whoops.
Nice.
I don't know where anyone is.
So just dinked his teammate.
That was his fault, come on.
Oh. B is being contended. Go help him at B, Tilter.
Yeah.
PP Poo Poo is his name. It's special.
Bravo's under attack!
Lying
Look at the
in a corner.
teams. Like,
Oh my
they're
God, I see
horribly
him.
unbalanced.
They're unbalanced? Oh, I'm gonna join you guys.
You're balling.
Be the breach.
Really?
Suck
I
it.
just got team killed.
Yeah, you team killed someone too.
God.
Yeah,
Payback's
but
a
I wasn't
bitch.
running. I was sitting in one spot.
Have you ever heard what payback was?
It was someone else.
It's a bitch. Payback's a bitch. Like a
Hey.
big bitch.
No cursing.
Bitch.
I don't like
fuck,
this
titties,
map.
Dick, hole,
Like-
ass, lick.
What if
need
your
a
mom
good
came
map.
in?
And we just got an AFK in spawn. Like,
Yes,
You
yes,
know-
yes, we're
you
about to
know
all
what-
spawn in.
you
Oh
know
my
what
god, he has to
games-
capture it back.
You know what game beats every single game?
Nope.
Balloons Tower Defense.
Oh my god, he didn't see him. There's a guy right to his left. He's right. Oh, that's Sam. That's me.
Can you agree with that, Joey?
Jesse, it's
No.
because your computer crashes when it plays anything else.
I know. It's retarded.
You told me it didn't.
No,
What do
it
you mean?
does. His power supply is
Yeah, we
gone.
got
Hey, we just lost Bravo!
Yay, we respawned. You guys are so dead. Tilter, are you still alive?
How do I
You're
turn
on
the
the-
flashlight on?
No, I'm dead.
G.
You're on the other team, Norbs. I think I killed you across the street.
Alpha!
Juniors, where are you going?
Yeah.
We gotta go towards C, broski.
I don't know where I'm going, dude. You have to fucking show
Gotta
me.
do objective based. That's how you play
I've
this
been
game.
going to see, you fucking dick.
I know. Messing with
Oh!
Yeah, what I do is I don't really like go straight for the objectives.
I did.
I kind of wait until like there's less people.
Ow, someone's holding their mic down.
Jesse, I need your help on, or Joey, I need your help on C.
Joey's on the other team.
shit.
Joey's on my team.
Oh, you switched to
He's
his
over there,
team.
Gilly. He's got an LMG. Oh, you're crazy.
Got one. Got the other.
We just lost Charlie!
There's like two more.
Nice! We just lost Bravo!
No!
Yeah!
Did that
Got
nade
tilted,
kill you?
dude.
Did you really?
Yeah.
I had a nade out.
No, people have good fucking reflexes. God.
Yeah, dude, it's insane. You gotta be really quick
That
in
guy
this game.
freaking. Damn.
And you have to get really, you have to have really good aim.
Yeah,
How do you
Norbs,
win this?
you kill
we
all the
gotta
enemy,
capture
all the
all
enemy,
three.
or you cap all the points. But like, on the map that I want, I was running across the middle to. I was playing Search and Destroy, and I was running to the back, like cap thing, because that's where the guys always went. Because it was a 1v1. It was me versus. Well, actually, I was the only one left, and it turned into a 1v1. He had like 4 other guys, and I just like cross map turned on some guy and killed him without using iron sights.
Damn, it must be good.
I went 12 and 2
Damn, they
that
just
game.
took Alpha!
Hate is gonna hate.
I wish I recorded it. Like, I did so good. I just realized I've been recording this. Huh.
To go back to where I killed you, pussy. God damn it! I got spawn killed.
Damn it, we just lost Bravo!
Switching my fucking gun. I don't like this.
Hate is gonna hate.
Ow!
Gonna hate.
Ow! Reduce muzzle climb and increase accuracy. What's the bad thing about that? Fuck the hollow.
What happened? How did I die?
Excellent! Alpha has been secured!
Kinda sucks. Joe, you're AFK? What's up?
Oh, I'm getting AP HP ammo.
Oh, it doesn't really matter to me. I don't really care about it.
Doesn't
AP.
matter.
I just use AP
Contact
and
Bravo!
Here's
what's it
armor.
called?
HP is the ones for if they're not using armor. AP is the best.
Really?
I go with nothing because I usually beat them in fights. It doesn't
Bravo
really
is
make a
clear, we
difference.
got it!
Oh, you beat everyone, don't you?
Dude, I'm a fucking beast at this game, Jesse. You don't even know.
Come on, Gilly, where's that 8 and 2 KD?
I wasn't even playing. Joey, what happened to me? I was like laying
you-
down in a dark corner and I just left. Did you watch me die?
No.
He had to have ran like right up to me because I was in a dark corner.
So I just use tracer.
No.
Tracer doesn't do anything. It
Tracer's
just
terrible
gives
for
away
me
your
now, so I know
position.
exactly where you are.
Just use AP.
Yeah.
Everyone ready?
Nothing
We should move.
and yes.
What I usually do, Norbs,
Use
is
AP then, right?
yes. What I usually do is
Oh, Gilly, I don't have to use anything.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Trust me. I used to think that it was a big deal to have AP and HP, but it doesn't matter.
it's not really, but it helps.
Doesn't matter. Like I just wrecked that guy and that guy. I got a triple. See?
Yeah.
Well, I can't fucking slide for shit. I hold shift and then tap control and
You just gotta have good aim.
Yeah, I don't
Oh, there.
use
That was a
the
nasty
slide
triple.
either,
Were
but
you in that?
like what I try
Got a
and do,
quad.
if Gilly will stop interrupting me to tell me that it doesn't matter, is I try and get the foregrip and armor
We
piercing.
have Bravo.
If I
Bravo
can't,
down.
if I can't get like armor like both, then I just go for the foregrip because it's more important.
Tilter, you realize I killed you and another guy in one burst from my M16?
Yeah.
Explosive
That was nasty.
Wow.
Damn, you got wrecked. Did you chuck that
He's corner camping.
Did you chuck that C4 in here?
No, that was someone else.
Dude, he was about to wreck me.
Dude, we got corner camp. That's dumb. I hate like. I realize it's a game, but when people just corner camp your spawn, it's kind of annoying.
Mm-hmm. Gotta be careful.
Oh! Tilter, was that you?
No, I'm dead. I got corner
It says
camp.
at the bottom left here, you killed Joe.
No, I got shot at.
But that's just for this server. That's usually not like that.
Yeah, I think the server's dumb how it says like that you killed.
There's a guy there. You looked right at him. He was running
What?
from the right around the corner.
That's a friendly,
right there.
dude. What? He's right here.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Can't do anything about it. Oh, he's the
Run
last
right
guy.
up to him.
I don't know if he's the last guy or
Not
not.
sure.
How am I supposed to know?
Oh, MVP for him.
I'm gonna run up to the middle of the fucking street.